In this video, let's take a look at how Tata Steel is using digital innovation to improve safety at its workplace. The name of this innovation is called the connected workforce. Steel manufacturing companies like Tata Steel face a prevalent problem of tracking the safety of their workers. In such labor-intensive organizations, the footfall of workers across plant would be in thousands each day. Ensuring the safety of each worker was a tedious task. What was even more difficult was avoiding unauthorized entry of workers in wrong locations without proper training and supervision. Now here is where the connected workforce platform comes into play. This ambitious project combines real-time information of the workers' whereabouts with advanced analytics to provide a comprehensive overview of the entire worksite. It essentially makes use of radio frequency and video analytics technology to send workers' exact location to the employee tracking software. These technologies combined with the advanced software gives near real-time information of the workers to their supervisors. But it does not stop here. By using electronic work permit data and training data combined with video analytics, the system delivers a continuous risk assessment of person, place, process and asset. This was truly transformational, especially when the pandemic was around. Follow for more such transformational stories.